Hi guys, it is Dr. Bosley. Today I'm going to give a review about the book written by Sadhguru. Let's get into it, shall we? Let's first talk about Sadhguru. If you are not familiar with his work, which is highly unlikely, but let me give you a brief introduction about the Sadhguru. Sadhguru is a globally acclaimed yogi, mystic, and author, and he has a very tremendous impact over my life and millions of people around the globe. A lot of you must be thinking that it's a very dark book, but let me tell you, after reading this book, I can say that this book has a context of a very understandable knowledge about the spiritual possibilities that death carries. The best thing about the Sadhguru as an author is his wittiness, and it's his dark sense of humor, and anyone can feel the amount of clarity that this person carries with himself, both with his intellect and his wisdom. Coming to the context of the book, if you are someone who is on the path of spirituality, it will not be difficult for you to go through this book. But if you are a normal person, if you're a normal reader, you must be skeptical, and if you carry some sort of skepticism about this whole spirituality thing, it may arise some question in your mind. This is not the type of book you can read very quickly, but this is the type of a book that you need to let it get sink in very slowly, so that it will be understandable and comprehensible, because the knowledge that has been provided in this book is coming from the old Vedic science, and also the modern scientific facts are given which are related to those rituals. Impacted on my way of looking at the death itself, because it has given me a very profound message that the death can happen at any moment, but if you're conscious about your mortality, you will not let any single moment pass unconsciously and or with misery. So this book has clearly great wisdom about the death and the mortality, and how one can perceive his life in a very blissful and joyful manner. So that's the review of the book. I highly recommend for the people who are on the spiritual path, or someone who is looking for a very good read and clear insights on the death by the uh, perception of a yogi, how to live your life consciously with the sense of mortality at the back of your mind. I must tell you that this book is a very hard read, but it's a very insightful read. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you all stay safe, stay home. Thank you.